How are we all doing? So this is just a quickie tonight to give you an update on this Bosch TV62. So what I wanted to do is, before I did anything at all really with the set, I wanted to make sure that the tube was going to be okay, because if the CRT was a no-go, that was the end of that. I haven't got a spare 14-inch tube, and there would have been no point in going any further with it. So what I've done is, I've got my old TV63 here that I did the video on a few months ago, and I've sort of hot wired it into the old 62 there. Now the TV63 here is having a few problems as well, time of the month and what have you, but it's proved what I wanted it to prove, in the fact that we've tons of emission in this tube. I've got a good bright raster on it, and I'll show it to you now. So we're looking good. So we know now at least it's worth our while going on a bit further with it. So that's where I'm at the minute. The set has been subjected to an awful lot of damp, so I think I'll just go ahead and change all the wax caps in it before I flout around with it anymore. There's no point. You can't do fault finding on a set like that. Every single cap in it is shagged. So I'm going to spend the next day or two just working my way through them and hoovering all the dust out and what have you, and then we can go from there. See how she performs then when we've all that done. So that's it anyway. We know we've a usable CRT, so we're looking good. Just moving on, it was yesterday when I tested the tube with the other television, and so I'm going ahead and just changing all the caps of the two decks out of the set, and I've hoovered them out, and you can see they're a lot cleaner looking now. So I'm just in the process of changing all the caps. There's no point doing that with them in it. You can't even fault find properly because they're all so leaky. So the best thing to do is just get rid of a lot of them. So when I have that done, then we'll get going and see where we are next with it then. We'll go ahead and power it up then at that stage. So it'll probably take me a day or two just to walk through this. Well, a few minutes here and there. Right, thanks for watching. Good luck.